Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of The Dream Seed, episode 3. Today we're going to do a little bit of character creation. We took the past couple days off from really doing anything. We did, however, import some packages into our project. I took one project and I put that I own from Alien Sky. I took the vegetation out of it and I added to the project. I really like the vegetation. I haven't really no use for anything else in it, so I kind of left all that stuff out. I did import Polygon Fantasy Kingdom, Toon City, and Toon Suburban. I have some uses I want to do in some of my scenes with some of the models and such that we're going to create. But today we're gonna I'm gonna show how I add in characters, so you have some knowledge of it. And the biggest thing we did was add GKC into our project for main controllers and such. It's a very awesome system. I want to give a shout out to GKC. But let's get to the character creation and add in. I got an easy way of doing that. I broke some things down. We're gonna go to this is our main project that we're working on, the DreamSeed. And we're gonna I gotta think where I put it. Maybe we put in those scenes. Let me check. I don't remember where I put it at. Creation. Okay, let's see where the file is so we know. Alright, it wasn't there. We got added scene card creation scenes. Alright, now that we've found it. Alright. We're gonna go open up the scene here. Okay, what we did was we created a template and everything. To create a template is fairly simple. Let me turn this off and everything. We don't need it right this second. But if you go to game kick controller, you gotta create new character. It's fairly simple. You go in, you click player, take we'll just throw this guy in here, this model and everything, and we'll instantiate and then create the player. Well, we'll go ahead and do that. Instantiate and then create player. Okay, in here and everything, what first thing you want to do is you want to go through what I do. You don't have to follow what I exactly do, but you want to go through and make sure all these positions are zeroed off. And once you get to the player controller, you start seeing things. We'll just make that 0. Gravity center, and we'll zero that out. Zero that out. And go ahead and zero this out. Oh, that all the way up to a character. That's what you want to do. You want to go up to the character that you put in and everything. Usually I rename this to what I'm gonna, because it's gonna be my prefab for my character. So I usually name it something like 01, and I usually put in, for me personally, I put in PC for player controller. Let me know what it is, and then what it is. I think this was a bard, I believe. So we could change it later. Let's see, what was it? Oh, it was a bartender. So we'll go back and everything. Bartender. Bartender. And then after, what I do, because I'm using GKC toolbox to handle all my menus and all that stuff. But if you don't need the use of the parse screen and everything, you can turn the parse screen on and off. You can disable it. Let's see, we're gonna go over here. We're gonna move him to 1 right quick. I'll show you what I mean. Alright, let's see. Let's see, under the character, if you unclick this and everything and go to click play, takes a second to load up. When you hit escape, it stops the pause menu from coming up. Since we're using GKC version 2, Toolbox version 2 to handle menus and stuff, we're disabling this on the project and everything. Under your inventory manager script, under player controller, you go down and everything, you see where it says show or hide initial inventory list. This you can go through and disable all that stuff. It stops everything from showing up in the initial inventory. I don't delete this because of the fact I might decide I want to go use something later. So I just leave everything in, I just disable it, and go from there. Anything that I want to leave on the initial player, then I just activate it accordingly. Now, another thing, and I got you asking this question just the other day because I was like, where is this? And everything. Abilities. You might not want your player character to start off with every given ability to it there is. So you're going to go to other players, essential components is what it's under. You'll see what's called player abilities system and everything. Each one of these, if you scroll up where it says ability enabled, you just cut off and it stops it from showing in the initial pile menu. We're gonna go ahead and delete this character here and everything. You got your choices to do that. You can set all your characters differently by doing that and everything. This is I don't remember what character this was. Oh, number 8. So let's see. Let's go to DreamSeed system. We'll go to prefabs character. What was 8? Yeah, I just kind of made a template, or it was and everything as it is and everything. You see right here a character. I got my menu pause turned off. Like I say, we're gonna have the toolbox handle that stuff. Under player controller, you see under my inventory, I got everything disabled. Under my essential components, my player abilities. I got all this stuff turned off. The only thing I got turned on is flight, because that's one thing that all my characters will have is flight. For just reasons of gameplay and such. I have planned for the character spawning, but that's the only one activated. We'll go ahead and start this guy, this character. Like I say, it takes a couple seconds. If you notice when well, you can't see, but I'm hitting escape right now. My pause menu ain't coming up. If I hit my inventory, you see all my inventory slots are empty. And I can easily go back and turn something on the character and make adjustment, because me, I have plans for different characters to have different abilities and such. And let's see, hold on. I shouldn't have exited out of that. If you notice right here, the only ability that I have activated is fly mode, and so that's how you turn on and off your stuff so it doesn't show up in the power wheel. Now we will go and I'll show you how we're gonna take this character and quickly make some other characters. So we got right here, we're on the monk. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna use this as a template. That's the whole purpose of it. We're gonna go create new character. We're gonna click right here, use custom prefab. We're gonna take in, we're gonna throw that temporary guy in. We're gonna go down. We're gonna go ahead and pull none in. We're gonna go to instantiate character prefab, search settings list, create player. Next, we're gonna rename this to 013 underline PC underline, and we'll call it none because that's what the character is. None. We're next gonna we can test the character out if we want to. Make sure everything. Oh, hold on. Yeah. We're gonna test, make sure simple things that we already had work. Notice she works. She can fly. Alright. Can fly. She works. She doesn't have no inventory. That's good. Encouragement doesn't work. So that's good. Okay. And we would go ahead and drop this right here. Go ahead and put in a prefab photo. And we'll go ahead and delete this. Alright, we're going to go ahead and do another one right quick. And we will turn that back on. We'll go project. We will go game create new character. we will go ahead and put our temp back in. Let's see, none. This looks like a female peasant, so we'll go ahead. Yep, peasant, female. Alright, and we will go show, create, and then we change this to 014 PC female peasant. And we will drop that in. That's what you get for having a older computer. Alright, now that we did that, we're gonna delete this out of here. Now we don't need to save anything from the scene. So we're just gonna go here. We're gonna go back to our scene. We're gonna go to our toolbox scene that controls everything. No, we don't want to save. Created 2 new characters to add to our list. So simple, so easy. Alright, now on our character manager, we'll open our toolbox and we will go to character data manager. We will go to character data and we will duplicate this. We got 2 that we're adding in, so duplicate. We'll name this to character data. Oops. Character data 13. And we'll name this to character data 14. We will next go in here. We will go back to our prefabs where we just created our character data. We will go to 13. We will, let's see, this was the none. So we'll change the character name to none. And so none on it. And we will go here. This was female peasant, so we'll change female peasant, and we would drop that in. Okay, now we need to go back into character manager. We need to add this 14 in now, so 14. We will drop character data 13 and character data 14 in. We'll go ahead and leave the prices what they were. Let's see, character price 5,000. None should. We'll make the none worth 10,000. And we'll make the character peasant. We'll make her 500. And we will next save our scene. Save. And we will test them out. Oh, hold up. Before I do this, I want to wipe data, start off fresh all the way. Since we've been testing out things. Oh, I had went through and I changed the name, let her know, and like I say, GKC Toolbox version 2 handles all that. You can and let's see, touchscreen, touchscreen active, the TheDreamSeed, easily change where you want it. Can even change loading screen text. It's really cool. But right now we're gonna wipe our data. So I'm gonna wipe all the data here right quick. Wipe data. Alright, let's go test our new characters that we added in right quick. And it's always good to run as many tests as possible. We want to go to, we'll go ahead and buy the stage. Scene's already loaded in. Let's see. Go ahead and buy the none. We got plenty of credits. We got keys. We bought that one scene. And it's awesome playing with the none. I should give her some healing abilities and stuff. She is a nun. So let's see. We're gonna give this non-magical flying abilities. Yeah, we experiment with a little vegetation and stuff. None works good. She works really good. Everything is working good on her. Alright, let's go test our other character now. Alright, let's see. We got the now. Let's try to. If you notice, GKC Toolbox takes care of all the character placements and stuff. Is nice. She works pretty good. Alright. Seems to be working. good. A little bit of fairy that I added in. She's like really small compared to the other characters. So, I even gave her the ability to like stealth her stuff. I thought fairies, they can hide themselves from regular people in real life, so why not? Why not put a little fairy in that can Alright, let's see, let's go make sure that everything works the way. We'll go ahead and this was one of the scenes that I just put in for testing. Everything worked great. Started off at start point. Let's see. To make sure everything works. Need to put some cloth elements on the cape, so that way it looks like it's moving instead of all stiff. It's something that we'll go back and fix later though. No big deal. So good. It is very good. But anyway, we're gonna stop it there. We're at 27 minutes in, but we're gonna leave it there. Hopefully that breaks down to anybody trying to mess with GKC a little bit, how some of the quick ways of doing things. But anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you will see you in the next video, and you guys have a wonderful day. For now, have fun and enjoy yourselves. Bye.